So well, as you can see, I paint that one, white one, until I paint, and that's gonna be beautiful shelf. Any piece of wood, if you find, just paint it. You can use for photography or you can use as a shelf. It's beautiful. I have a wood which I want to do for my photography background. So I don't have wood, and as you can see, it's really long. Yeah, it's really long. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna divide it two. Yeah, my husband is cutting for me, so I divide it two, and I create double clip for my back. So as you can see, I put this wood together. I didn't glue it yet, but I will glue it. So that's I have to do it, and I glue, and after I'm gonna start painting. So for gluing, I'm gonna use this type of glue, wood adhesive, D4, and I start gluing. You just put glue like that. Just put here in the joints. Okay. And I'm gonna leave a little bit gap because I like to have a little bit gap. 10-20 minutes you leave and have a cup of tea or something like that. And after this, we're gonna start painting. For painting, I'm gonna use quick dry varnish, that color, and I bought this one. It's like that type of paint, and this one is a white. I just see which one is most I like. So that's how I'm gonna paint. All right, this is my cat. Say hello. Oh, you're such a cutie girl. Next it. That's color lobby. I need to put very carefully because it's glued. So I'm gonna start painting. This is gonna be first coat, and be very carefully paint. So I want to get nice background. So as you can see here, this is first layer, and I'm gonna do now second layer. All right, nuts we're gonna do the second layer. It's gonna be a little bit darker in the second layer, but don't afraid, you can do whenever you like it. Well, second coat is done. Now it's all good, and also I painted other sides this color as well. If you look at it, this other side,